Hey everyone, my name is Rishabh and welcome to my free workshop on how you can build a leading FMCG brand. Now, a couple points before we get started. Why are you here? Or what might be certain common traits between all the people who are watching this video? Firstly, I'm assuming that you're an FMCG founder, or if not, you are probably a person who's starting an FMCG brand and want to build it sustainably and successfully with a couple of points. Firstly, you may have realized that you're overspending in marketing as an FMCG founder. Or maybe the person who sent this video to you is your investor who has previously worked with us and wanted you to just get some free value out of this workshop. Or maybe you just want to raise funds in the future and your brand is doing decent right now. But a couple things why this workshop or this free session of videos might not be useful for you in case you're already leading the market. This workshop is purely created for small to mid-stage FMCG brands who want to become the industry leader and not the industry leader already. Or if you're more than happy with what you're doing right now, how you're growing, if you're more than happy, feel free to jump off this video. It's not for you. Or if you can't allocate 20 minutes a day to build your brand, to build a leading FMCG startup. If you can't do all of these things, this video or this series might not be the one for you. But if you're here, congratulations, you are far ahead of all the people who have either clicked off or didn't even click on this video to begin with. So congratulations. Now, a bit about me. So my name is Rishabh Jain. As some of you already know, I'm the founder of Confetti Design Studio, where we work with small to mid-stage FMCG brands and startups to turn them into industry leaders with more than 100 crores of annual revenue. And the way we do that is through better products, better marketing, and better messaging. So that's what we do in a nutshell. Now, why am I going out of my way and building all of these things for free for you? So that is actually what my mission is, that as long as you have a great product, I will do anything in my capacity to make sure that your brand becomes successful. That's my mission. And I have actually dedicated my business to do that. 14 hours a day, 7 days a week. That's what I do. I work with founders like you to take them to the next level. And actually, the whole story behind this is that my sister inspired me to do this because she already had launched her natural and organic peanut butter brand, which kids loved and the parents loved. And these products actually started replacing Nutella or any of those unhealthy peanut butter or nut butter or dips or spreads, all of these things that the kids were using. So it had a really positive impact on the life. And that almost was an eye-opening experience for me, where I started actually believing, and I still believe, that these retail products and FMCG products are the building block of what our day-to-day life is. If we live a healthy life, if we live a longer life, if we live a more fulfilled life, all of that is purely based on the FMCG and retail products that we use on a day-to-day basis. So about this series, in a nutshell, we'll have around 10 to 11 videos. Max to max, I will try to wrap all of this value-packed content within 60 minutes because I know founders like you are super busy. So I would not take more than 60 minutes of your time to go through all of these things. And these things would be actionable. So not some theory mumbo jumbo which you would see on LinkedIn or on YouTube. This would be pure actionable insights with one aim and one aim only, which is to make you into an FMCG leader. And the way we'll do this is through these 8 chapters, all the way from understanding the issues, what brought you there, all the way from that point to customer validation, pricing, messaging, actionable insights, the whole 9 yards. We'll cover everything. All of this just as a free value. Imagine this as a small gift from my side to you. Now, my promise is at the end of this series, this free workshop, I will bring you out of this FMCG rut just like we've done that for several of our current clients. And that's my mission. That's pretty much it. So in the next video, we'll start with the first chapter, which is the FMCG rut. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Click on next video. It must be already there in the thumbnails or something like that. I'll see you there.